Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new auto staking protocol called RoyalPay. So what's special about this? RoyalPay should be the better version, so to say, of LogPay, because as you know, LogPay was the first auto staking protocol who had an anti-dump mechanism, but it didn't work because there was a loophole. What does this mean? Usually, users were just allowed to sell 1% of their holdings each day, but the loophole was that you could transfer your tokens to another wallet and then you could sell more. So that was the problem. And RoyalPay took care of this problem, and they have the amount limited that you can sell from 1 to 5% each day. So let me show you. First of all, you have 480,810.4% APY, fixed APY. And how does this work? You buy them, you buy the tokens, for example, on PancakeSwap. You just, for example, you exchange your BNB against the Royal tokens, and then you have them in your wallet, and it's auto compounding. This means every 30 minutes you get your rewards, okay? So, every 30 minutes, as I've said, 1 to 5% you can sell each day. So this should protect the price from big dumps. You have here, if you buy, you have 12% tax, and if you sell, you have 14% tax. You can see what the tax is used for. And here are the partners, also very nice, and they are CertiK audited. Okay, that's very good. And you see the roadmap. I can show you the community is also nice, I would say. First of all, the price, it's pretty new. So if you buy it now, you're actually at the beginning, and it came out about this price, and it already, you can say, like doubled. Okay, it's very, very new right now. And the community on Telegram, 8,107 subscribers, and on Twitter, 10.5K followers. Okay, so let me show you the dashboard. You see here the price right now. Then you see your daily earnings, and the market cap right now is about 4.56 million. And you have here the calculator. You can see, for example, whatever you would have invested. Let's say, I don't know. Let's say you would have invested about $990. Then after 50 days, you would have 3.17K. And you zoom out that you can see it here, for example. And after, you can, I don't know, let's say after 97 days, you would have 9.47K dollars. Okay, so that's how it works and how it looks. And you can also see the documentation here because of the auto compounding. If the price stays the same, if you invest 1K, after 1 year, you could have about $4.8 million. And the anti-dump shield, what does it mean? You can sell just about between 1 and 5% of your holdings every day. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you new projects that you maybe could consider to invest in. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and see you.